The day is finally here. My highly requested course on how to sell on Amazon KDP as a teacher business owner is open, and it's $97 today only. You can grab it by heading to lindsaybowden.com/KDP. So let me tell you exactly what is included. I'm going to actually pull up the course here. The cool thing about this is I actually have done this. I have sold on KDP. I have gotten really good results. I sold 13 books in less than a month on KDP when I first launched. This is when I just had one book. My team member sold 11 books in a month with just one book listed. Now I have several books listed because I'm like, okay, this works. I'm going to keep doing this. So I went through the whole process of how from start to finish you can upload a book in less than a week using TPT resources or educational resources that you already have. I go over how to set up an account for free, how to link your payment information so you actually get paid, all the tax information, all of that junk that you have to do in the beginning. I walk you through step-by-step screen sharing, how to choose a TPT product that will work well and sell well on KDP, how to format it, including templates, how to put your whole book together, also including templates, how to make the cover, because the cover is really important. That's the front of your book. Let me just show you my book here. Let me go grab it. So here is my book. So that cover is scroll stopping. If you are just listening on the podcast, I'll just link my storefront for KDP below if you want to see my storefront, or you can watch this on YouTube. That's really important. So I give you a template for that and information about how to make sure it stops the scroll on Amazon, how to upload your book to Amazon, how to price your book, how to publish it, how to set up your author profile, something really new and special called A+ content that makes your listing stand out from the rest, and then how to actually launch your book so you make money. I also have bonuses included. So interior templates, cover templates, launch emails, a checklist from start to finish. So this is literally everything that you need to sell on KDP, but you can go through this program in a couple days. It's not a ton of content, so you don't have to feel overwhelmed, but you can make money from this very, very quickly. So today only, it's $97, lindsaybowden.com/KDP, and I'll see you inside.